Packing efficiency calculation. First, you want to know that the atomic radius of the simple cubic, body centered cubic, and face centered cubic. See, a simple cubic, take a simple cubic, finding the atomic radius. A simple cubic, you know that they have the 8 corner of the atom. So this is the simple cubic. So they have 8 corners. Non-primitive that unit cell. See here, this simple cubic is the radius is what? First we want to find out the atomic radius. So radius is what? The half of the center of the nucleus. That's mean you can take this too. So like this. So this is R, half of the distance is R, and this half of the distance is R. Then the edge length. The edge length is what? This is the edge length. That means the two spheres are packing for each other. That is closely packed for each other. Then this is edge length A, and this is the edge length is A. Okay. Now here edge length is equal to A is equal to what? That is this 1R and this 1R is equal to what? 2R. A is equal to 2R. So R is equal to what? A by 2. Atomic radius for simple cubic, R is equal to what? A by 2. Now this is the radius of the simple cubic. Now let us calculate the packing efficiency of using the atomic radii R, this value. So packing efficiency is what? The number of packing efficiency is equal to volume occupied by atom divided by volume of unit cell into 100. So here we know that the volume occupied by atom means what? Z, that is Z into volume of atom. Z into volume of atom divided by volume of unit cell into 100. So here the Z is equal to what? Means the total number of atom in a unit cell, then the volume of atom. So here the total number of atom, already we know that number of atom for a simple cubic unit cell, number of atoms for BCC, that is 1, sorry, not BCC, simple cubic. Then the volume of atom is equal to what? 4 by 3, already we know that 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now we can calculate the packing efficiency with the help of this. So packing efficiency is equal to what? Z is equal to what? 1. Volume of atom is what? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of unit cell is equal to what? A cube, and into 100. Now R value, we know that the R value is for simple cubic is R is equal to what? R A by 2. R is equal to A by 2. So 4 by 3 into pi into R value is A by 2 to the whole cube divided by A cube. So A cube and this A cube is cancelled. Then after calculation, that is we will get 50, that is 4 by 3 into pi into there is 8 divided 1 by 8, so 4 2, so you will get 52.4 percentage. For simple qubit, packing efficiency is 52.4 percentage. Then this is volume of occupied space. Then the empty space, we can calculate the empty space also. So empty space, how to calculate means, for a simple qubit, 100 minus 52.4, so you will get 47.6 percentage. This is the empty space and this is the packing efficiency for simple qubit is 52.4 percentage. So atomic, first we want to find out the atomic radius for BCC, then we can calculate the packing efficiency for BCC unit cell. Now the BCC is body centered qubit. So 8 corner atoms, the atoms per unit, there is 8 corner atoms are present. The center of the body is 1 atom. Okay, so this is the center of the body. Now we have to take this this atom and this atom and this atom. So you have to take, there is the touching of each other. This means this A and this B and this C and this D. Okay, now this and this is another one, and this is the center of the body. So you have to take this diagonal, this. Now A, B, C, D, take this angle. This is the edge length A, and this is the edge length A, and this is the edge length A. See, according to the Pythagoras theorem, AD square is equal to AC square plus DC square. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, AD square is equal to AC square plus DC square. Now here radius of this cubic is what? This is 1r and this is 1r. This radius having this 1r and this 1r. Totally AD is equal to what? AD is equal to 4r. AD here, AD is equal to 4r. Then AC square is equal to AB square. AC square is equal to AB square then plus BC square. Now we know that AB is equal to what? A. So that A square. BC is equal to what? That is A. That is also one edge length, A square. So that AC square is equal to 2A square. Then AC square is equal to 2A square. So here now you have to apply this formula, that is AC square is equal to 2A square and AD square. Apply this value, that is AD square is equal to AC square plus DC square. This is the Pythagoras theorem formula. AD square is what? AD is 4r. So 4r square. Then AC square is what? 2A square. Then DC is what? DC square also A square. So DC is A edge length, so that A square. Now 16r square into is equal to 3A square. So r is equal to what? R is equal to root 3A by 4. For BCC unit cell, radius is equal to r is equal to what? Root 3A by 4. Now let us calculate the packing efficiency for BCC atom. Packing efficiency, already we know that the formula is what? Packing efficiency is that Z is Z into volume of atom divided by volume of the unit cell into 100. Now here number of atoms in a BCC is equal to what? Number of atoms, Z is equal to 2. this is for BCC, already we seen. So here 2 into volume of atom is 4 by 3 pi r cube into 100 divided by volume of atom is what? A cube. So here 2 into 4 by 3 into pi, r value for this BCC is what? Root 3a by 4 into 100 divided by a cube. So here r cube, so that whole cube. So a cube, this a cube is cancelled, remaining is what? 2 into 4 by 3 into pi, this 3 times. So root 3 by 4 into 3 times, so that cube into 100 divided, there is no divided. So after simplification you will get 68%. So pi value we know that, so that 68%. Here empty space of the unit cell for that BCC unit cell, 100 minus 68, that is 32%. Packing efficiency for BCC atom is 68% and the empty space is 32%. Then next is FCC, face centered cubic unit cell. For packing efficiency calculation for FCC is, see, ready, we know that there is 8 corner atoms in a cubic. So for face centered mean this face is 1 and this face is 1 and this face is 1 and this face is 1. Sorry, this face. Then this front side face and the back side face. Now 6 faces are there. So in FCC, so face center, each face, that's mean we are taking this face side, mean the corner of 4 corner atoms. So now we can take this. So this mean this having, so 4 corner atoms like this. Then the 4 corner atoms, the face, this is the face. I am taking that upper side, so that this is the face. Now A, this is A and this is B and this is C. Now the radius of the sphere like this. So here this is what? This is R, this is 1 R and this is another 1 R and this is atomic radius is equal to half of the sphere, so that this will become 4R and this is edge length A and this is edge length A. Now according to the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now here AC is equal to what? Number of R, radius is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4R. So AC square already know, 4R square, 4R power square. Then AB is equal to what? A square. BC is equal to what? A square. So here 16R square is equal to 2A square. Then R is equal to A 2 root 2. Right? Sorry, 2 root R is equal to A by root 8. Then R is equal to A by 2 root 2. Yes, 2 root. Now let us calculate the packing efficiency of FCC using this radius. Now the packing efficiency is equal to volume occupied, that is Z into volume of atom divided by a volume of unit cell into 100. For FCC, number of atoms for FCC, this is the number of atom. The total number of atom for FCC is 4. Total number of atom is 4. Then volume of atom is what? 4 pi r cube, 4 pi r cube, then into 100 divided by volume of unit cell is what? A cube. Here 4 into 4 pi r cube, 4 by 3, this is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here also 4 by 3 pi r is what here? A by 2 root 2. The cube divided by a cube into 100. Now a cube is cancelled. Then after simplifying we will get that is 74%. So packing efficiency for FCC face centered cubic crystal is 74%, and the empty space is 100 minus 74. So this is 26%. Okay student, this is packing efficiency calculation, simple cubic, BCC and the FCC. Thank you.